This channel is about fighters built for war, bodies conditioned to take punishment, minds trained to stay calm under fire. No hype, no shortcuts, just toughness, resilience, and the heart it takes to keep fighting when it hurts. Four fights, two legends, one unforgettable rivalry. Juan Manuel Marquez and Manny Pacquiao defined an era of boxing. Marquez, the Mexican master technician known as Dinamita, built his legacy on precision, timing, and devastating counterpunches, finishing his career with 56 wins and championships across 4 weight divisions. Across the ring stood Manny Pacquiao, the Filipino icon who rose from poverty to global superstardom, an 8-division world champion with relentless speed, volume punching, and heart, ending with 62 victories. When they collided, it was skill versus speed, patience versus pressure, and pure resilience on display, creating one of the greatest rivalries in boxing history. Juan Manuel Marquez represents the highest level of boxing intelligence, a fighter who didn't rely on hype or raw speed, but on discipline, timing, and mental toughness. Against relentless pressure, he stayed composed, absorbed punishment, adjusted, and struck with purpose. This is boxing for thinkers, proof that resilience, patience, and precision can overcome chaos. Marquez didn't just fight Pacquiao, he solved him.
Fight for pride.
Manny Pacquiao versus Miguel Cotto was more than a championship fight. It was a meeting of two warriors shaped by very different journeys, united by discipline, sacrifice, and pride. When they stepped into the ring in 2009, the world wasn't just watching about, it was witnessing a defining moment in modern boxing. Manny Pacquiao entered the fight as a global phenomenon. Rising from poverty in General Santos City, Philippines, Pacquiao had climbed through weight divisions faster than anyone thought possible. Known for his explosive southpaw style, relentless pace, and fearless aggression, he overwhelmed opponents with speed, angles, and volume punching. Pacquiao didn't just outwork fighters, he drowned them. His style was chaotic yet calculated, powered by elite conditioning and an unshakable belief in himself. Across the ring stood Miguel Angel Cotto, Puerto Rico's proud standard-bearer. Unlike Pacquiao's wild rise, Cotto was built through structure and discipline. Trained from a young age, he was known for balance, composure, and devastating bodywork. His left hook to the body was one of the most respected weapons in boxing, slowly breaking opponents down with precision and force. Cotto fought upright, strong and patient, imposing physicality round after round. Both men carried scars into this fight. Pacquiao had taken on larger opponents repeatedly in his pursuit of greatness. Cotto was coming off the most difficult chapter of his career, having endured brutal wars that tested not only his body but his confidence. This fight represented redemption for Cotto and legacy building for Pacquiao. From the opening bell, the contrast in styles was clear. Pacquiao moved constantly, attacking in sharp bursts and darting out of danger. Cotto remained composed, stalking forward, investing in the body, and looking to slow Pacquiao down. When Cotto landed, the power was undeniable. When Pacquiao landed, it came in fast, relentless combinations. As the rounds passed, Pacquiao's pace became the defining factor. He refused to slow, refusing to let Cotto settle into rhythm. His footwork and angles forced Cotto to reset again and again. Still, Cotto showed immense toughness, absorbing punishment, firing back with determination, and continuing to press. Antonio Margarito was a fighter built for pressure, pain, and attrition. Tall, relentless, and unforgiving, the Mexican warrior became known for drowning opponents with non-stop punches and brutal physicality. Margarito didn't rely on speed or finesse. He relied on volume, durability, and the belief that no man could withstand his pressure for long. Every round against him felt heavier than the last, and every opponent was forced into a war of survival. Standing in contrast was Joshua Clottey, the quiet storm from Ghana. Clottey was not flashy, but he was disciplined, calculated, and defensively sound. Known for his high guard and compact counters, Clottey absorbed punishment with composure and returned fire with precision. Where Margarito pushed relentlessly, Clottey waited, endured, and answered, turning fights into chess matches and fought with fists. Then there was Miguel Angel Cotto, the pride of Puerto Rico, whose style blended strength with structure. Cotto was a master of balance and body work, famous for his devastating left hook to the ribs and his ability to break opponents down methodically. Against pressure fighters like Margarito, Cotto was forced into some of the toughest battles of his career. Fights that tested not just his skill, but his resilience and heart. Together, these men represented different philosophies of toughness. Margarito embodied relentless offense and endurance. Clottey symbolized patience, defense, and quiet strength. Cotto stood in between, powerful, disciplined, and emotionally driven. Their clashes were not just about winning rounds, but about enduring pain, adjusting under fire, and proving who could remain standing when the fight turned brutal. This era of boxing was defined by grit over glamour, and these fighters left behind a legacy forged through pressure, sacrifice, and unbreakable will.